Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah. Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo!
Take off my makeup with me. This is gonna hurt me. Ah! Ow! Hopefully this one's easier. This one had the most adhesive on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. My skin is literally burning.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. If I blow hard enough, these teeth will come off. Oh no, they're... I didn't think it would actually work. We're not gonna stop there, though. Okay, this is gonna take too long. Oh, I'll save that one for last. I'm pretty happy with how this makeup came out, but... Oh? But I'm really tired and I'm really hungry. Ow. So we just gotta... push through. Oh, I almost forgot about the nose again. That really popped off. DIY blackhead removal, anyone? Just kidding, please don't do that. Wow, don't I look beautiful? And your favorite nightmare fuel? Alright, I am now clean, but my skin is definitely stained. Oh, and also I uploaded a full YouTube video on this look, so go ahead and check that out. The link is in my bio.
Take off my makeup with me, googly eyes edition. I guess you could say all eyes are on me. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, my eyebrow. And the contacts are stuck. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. I have to meet a friend at lunch in 5 minutes. And like genuinely, this would be socially acceptable to wear to lunch, I feel like. But I don't feel like being the center of attention today. So we're gonna wipe it off. I know, shocker. I feel like this one turned out really cool. I had zero idea like where I was going with it when I started, but we got it to a cool place. Well, not anymore. Wipe away everything I just did for the last couple hours. Wow, amazing. That's so much better than if I just left it on. That was sarcasm. I want my lips to stay like this forever. The feminine urge to add red lipstick to every look I do is just getting absolutely bombastically crazy. Snatch away this side. I'm actually super excited about the video I filmed with this look. I think it was good. Comment, let me know if y'all saw that video. Be whoop. The 4 lonely dots. Up close, I look so horrendous. Like, ooh. Like, do you like what you see? Be honest. Goodbye. Oh, I'm gonna wash my face.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Ah, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. What other time can it be? I've had this on for way too long and all the blood has dried by now. But that will not stop me. I'm so sleep deprived, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. My head is way too big for this head. What hat? Not head. I really want to start with a nose for some reason. That came off quick. The teeths. Ah, I don't know why I made that noise. Other one. Let's just do the whole smile. Ow. Pain is not real. I personally am tired of feeling pain, so I just decided to not feel it anymore. I really didn't even try on the ears here. Ah, I tried to untangle this, but now it's just stuck. Y'all are doing peel-off face masks? Sorry, honey. I do liquid latex. Oh, yes, baby. We're doing it. Bet you never saw a mask like this bad boy. Skincare? More like skin scare. Let's take her off. Lovely. Wow, my skin just loves me. Yeah. I did a tutorial for this beautiful look, and it will be in the link in my profile. Please don't actually use liquid latex as a face mask. Have a great day, you guys. Guess what time it is, guys? It's time to take this off again. I'm gonna take this contact lens off because I can't see anything with that one eye, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's off, and I smeared this part, but I don't care, because, yeah. No, this isn't my best look, but, you know, I had fun with it. Oh god, that looks so weird. Come out! Okay, the teeth are not coming out individually. That would be really cool. So I'm gonna take this whole thing, as a whole piece, so have fun watching that. Lovely. I'll be right back because I'm gonna take this whole thing off. Look at that, it belongs in the trash. Good day, everyone. Well, hello there. You already know what time it is, and it's time to take this off again. I'm honestly so happy with how this turned out, especially how the mouth moves. Like, my sister refuses to play with me while I have scary makeup on, so we gotta take it off. I'm gonna get the hair out of my face first. Alright. I don't even see where the edges are, like, I think I found one. Okay, big breath. Never mind. Let's do this. That made my eyes water. Now the eyebrows. Okay. Oh no. Okay, this eyebrow is still on. That's good. Let's hope this eyebrow is on too. Oh, thank God. I love painting on clothes, but it just takes so long to take off. This is always the sad part. Your daily dose of nightmare fuel. As if the original look wasn't scary enough. I took a shower, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah. Right, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day.
Look at me, I put a face on. Wow! Look at me, I put a show on what I